Hello everyone! I have something to unbox with you today. This is from my lovely mutual on TikTok, Cosplay Mother. And she had a giveaway recently. And this is what that is. There we go. I don't know what it is, so we're gonna find out. Okay, there's a makeup bag. It feels... Is there something inside? Oh, there is! What is this? There's little gummy bear earrings. And what's this? Oh, these are my mermaid tail earrings. She knows I'm a mermaid. So that's lovely. Here, there's more things in here. Oh, this is one of those little headbands that has a bow. So when you're doing your makeup, you can put it on to keep your hair out of the way. There's all sorts of goodies in here. A hydrating hand cream with avocados. That's very important after swimming days. And one more thing. You look grape today. Grape scented lip balm. That looks very cool. And it all fits inside this lovely little makeup bag. One of my makeup bags broke recently, so that's lovely. Well, thank you, Cosplay Mother, for sending all these little goodies. I'm definitely gonna have lots of fun with them, especially these mermaid tail earrings. So thank you. Go check out her account. She is awesome, a fellow cosplayer. And thank you again. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Mwah!